Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 8i and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and now let's tap on this 2 icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the settings, and first of all let me make some changes. So for example, let me turn off the shutter sound in order to show you that the reset option will actually work. So right now we can scroll down to the very bottom in order to find the camera's restore camera settings option. So let's tap on it and tap on this option again, and as you can see on the first side nothing changed, but let's take a look at the shutter sound, which was turned off and right now it is turned on, so it means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera settings in your Realme 8i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.